the Bible about one man who obeyed God. Okay? His name was Noah. N-O-A-H. Noah. Man who built an ark. Sign name Noah. Man who built an ark. Okay? Okay? A long time ago, the people in the world made God very angry. Okay? Why? Because they refused to obey God. God was very angry. So he said he wanted to finish all the people and have new people who will obey God. Okay? So God thought how? He saw one good man. All people made God angry, but one man obeyed God. He said his name is who? Noah. This man, God thought he chose him. Yes. God chose him to build a big boat. He built a big boat.
Like this one.
Like this.
Big.
See, big. Then God told Noah to get his family, his children and their wives all together into the boat. Okay? Then God told Noah again to get all animals, but pick only two animals. Okay? So, two. If it was a lion, he picked two. If it was a fish, picked two. If it was a giraffe, he picked two. Noah obeyed all this. And when they entered the ark, God came close the ark. Okay? Yes. Then he made a lot of rain. It rained. And the boat was... A lot of rain. But the people in the boat were safe. They didn't die. But other people out there, they all died. All the animals there died because of a lot of water. Rain heavy. But in the boat, in the ark, there was a bird. That was a dove.
No, a raven first.
Oh yeah, there's a raven. Yeah, it's true. Never came back.
A raven.
The raven didn't come back.
Yes, there were two birds. Yes, there was okay, there was a bird in the boat. Two. One was a raven, which Noah sent to go to the world to see if the water had... But when when it was sent, got many animals had died there, so a lot of food there. He decided to eat there and forgot to go back. Again, Noah sent a dove. The dove went, saw everything clear, from a tree, got a branch, fly back to the ark, and told Noah knew that the water had finished and they were safe. But before then, also God made a sign to Noah through a rainbow.
Where is my rainbow? Oh, like
You
this.
see?
one.
Beautiful like this.
Have you seen a rainbow?
Yes, rainbow. Oh, has many colors. You see, many colors here. This was a sign to Noah that yes, the bird. Yes, it was a sign that God had finished the rain and they were safe. Okay? Thank you.
Clap for teacher.
Good job. Yeah, good job. Who has a Bible? Who has a Bible?
Big. Good.
Thank you.
So now I think we are all together, yeah? And we understand the story. Do we understand the story? Okay. So now today we will make where am I? We will have this. We will make same. Okay, this one. Then you will draw the people, this girl and boy. You draw and cut. Yes, like mom. Mom and father too. Yes, good. So true. Then the animals. This what? What is this? What is this? This is a rabbit. Yeah. And this? Yeah.
I also did show that.
Thank you for teaching teacher Nancy. So you will draw this, okay? So we have two groups. Then when you finish, we will have Teacher Judy said what happened next? This. There was rain. A lot. What is this? What is this? What?
Thunder.
And lightning, yeah? And this is what? Water. So when it rains, then it moves. Okay?
Capturing this.
And this?
Clouds.
Yes, good. Yeah, clouds. Like this. Yeah? So when it is raining, they are which color? When it's raining. Color what? Color red. Color what? Okay, first. Okay, together. This is color what? Color? Color?
Which color is this?
Color?
Gray.
No one knows this color.
Gray.
Your t-shirt is color? T-shirt ma? Color what? Blue. This color?
Gray.
Gray, yeah, it's almost gray.
Grayish, yeah?
You can color it gray.
Yeah. Like black?
Black.
Oh, this
Yes.
Oh, the end of the thing is color.
So when it is raining, it is color gray. Yeah? Okay?
Color red.
No, it's not color red. Okay, teacher Nancy. Draw this, the rainbow.
And then little
Rainbow is beautiful. Beautiful, okay? It has many colors.
Colors.
Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Yes, there is red. But me, I'm only picking if you lift your hand.
And then there were gifts.
Yes, and I said I have gifts, yes? So we will start here. Color, you choose one color. One color in the rainbow. Orange. Orange. Tasha, another color. Purple. Aline,
I choose color red.
red. Wow. Kim, one color. Blue. Who else has? And these twins. Where's Mama? These twins that are always confused. Al. Now Al has glasses. I will remember. Al, choose one color. Yellow. Okay? Color yellow. Yes, Enoch. Yes, and red. Okay? Alright? So we are going to draw and color this. Okay? Yes, keep. Green. Do I have green?
Yes.
Yes, I have green. Alright? So we are going to do this together. Toka sauti. You saying how? Bible together, there's this Bible. So it is Jesus book.
Jesus. Didn't you not say
Book.
it?